Hey guys, Weaver here, another microbit tutorial. This is what we are going to work on today. You're going to start a new project, and we're going to name it Light Level LED. So go ahead and go to Microbit Make Code, start a new project, and call it Light Level LED. Okay, once you have that going, we are going to program our LED light, our light emitting diode, to do a specific task. So we want our LED to blink, to turn on and off once the microbit reaches a certain level, light level. So once it reaches a certain light level, when it gets dark, that LED should turn on and off like an emergency light, on and off. Okay? So in order to do that, we need a function. We need to go to the function drawer. So if you go to Advanced, click on Advanced, go to Function, because we want our LED to do a specific task. You will make a function, and let's just call it blink. Okay? Because we want our LED light to blink once it reaches a certain light level. Okay? Drag that out. Okay, so now you are going to have two codes going on. Okay, and your event handler function and your forever. Okay, two block codes going on. Okay, so the LED light is going to do a specific function or a specific task. So we need to go to our pin drawer. We're going to drag out a digital write pin. We're going to drop that into our function. And we're going to change that 0 to a 1. Okay. So it's going to turn on. It's going to go from 0 to 1, turn on. And then we want it to pause and then go back and blink again. Okay, so we're going to drag out a pause. We can go to our basic drawer, drag out a pause. Let's change that pause to 1 second or 1,000 milliseconds. Okay, then we can duplicate our digital write pin and put that underneath your pause. So it's going from 0 to 1, but then we need it to turn off, so we need it to go from 0 to 0. Okay, and then we're going to add our pause, so we can duplicate that. Throw that under your digital write pin 0 to 0. Okay, so that is our function code, and then under our forever code, and since the light sensor built into the microbit goes from 0 to 255, okay, we're going to need to put a conditional statement in. So we're going to drop that into our forever code or our forever block. Go to logic, grab an if statement, because if the light level reaches a certain point, then the LED should flash. So we can go back to our input, grab our light level, drag it out. We need to go back to our logic, grab a comparison, because we're comparing light level. Drop that on your true. We're going to use less than, because if it's less than, let's say in our classroom, less than 30, so if the light level is less than 30, because we got to think that we still have, if I turn the lights out, we still have the emergency light in here. Okay, so if it's less than 30, our LED should turn on. But we need to go back to our function, because remember, we created the function, called it blink. So if the light level is less than 30, then we need to go to the blink. So we call the blink code Okay. So if the light level is less than 30, then we call the blink code and then it starts flashing back and forth. Okay, and the way to test this is we go over to our emulator, and here's our microbit. It's at 128, so nothing is really happening. But if we make it less than 30, we should see these digital pins going back and forth, which is causing the LED to blink. So let's go to 25. 0, 1, 0, 1. So it is working on the emulator. Let's drag it back to, we have more light in the room. We turn the lights on in the room. It should stop. And it does. It's just 0 to 0. Our pin 0 to 0. If it's less than 30, it should go 0 to 1, causing a blink. 0 to 1, back to 0. Okay. Now, to test this, download it to your microbit. Grab some alligator clips, hook up your LED, and then let's see if it works. Weaver out.